This is a screencast showing you how to create your performance management portfolio. Find your name. In the drop-down menu, you'll find Personal section. I have lots of pages in my Personal section, but you're likely just to have 2 pages in your Personal section. You're going to create a page, so scroll down and find the Create button. When you click on Create, you'll be asked to give a title. So I'm just going to call this PM Portfolio. If you would like to make it as a blog, then you can click Blog. If you would like to make it as a plain page, simply click Plain and click Done. Now you can see the page itself is available for you to add content. Just for now, I'm just going to click Publish, and if I wanted to come back to this page and edit it, then I click on Edit Page, and the drop down menu here, you can see that the visibility is private. You need to keep it private. If you wanted to change the name of the page, maybe I made a spelling mistake in the title of the page, then you can go to More Page Options and you can see I can edit this title. So I'm actually going to put BRTA's PM Portfolio and click Change Page, and now you can see the page name has changed. So let's add some content. Maybe you have a lesson plan that you would like to add. So maybe the lesson plan is as a Word document. So here I have a Word document. For example, you could drag the lesson plan in and it will upload the Word document. You can also edit this Word document after I've clicked Done. So let's just get rid of that Word document and look at some others. Maybe I have an email, and in that email there is something positive in that email which allows me to, so I'm quite proud of this particular email, let's say, and so I'm going to copy that, Control A to copy everything, Control C, and now I've got that email. I can simply paste it into here, Control V, and you can see I have a copy of that email, which is quite nice. Maybe there's some photographs of some students working or some videos. I'm just going to delete this email, Control. So here's some photographs. Maybe I want this photograph in my page. I'm just going to drag it in and it's uploading that photograph. My internet at home is a little bit slow. If you were to do this at school, it would be much faster. You could also do the same if you had video of the student or audio, and there's that photograph now. Maybe that's a little bit too large actually, so I'm just going to resize that photograph. So let's see what it's like if I put some audio in there. I'm just going to go find some audio. So there's an audio clip again. If it's in the right format, if it's an MP3, there's MP3, you can drag it in and it will upload that for you. So if I just click Done there, and when I click play, you can hear the audio. And again, the video is actually the format that is the best for Firefly are MP4 videos, but you can actually just drag this video into your Google Drive and get Google Drive to convert it for you, and then you can paste the link in. Or if you have a YouTube account, you can add it to your YouTube account and again just drag it in. So that's just a few ways of you being able to add some content to your portfolio, some supporting evidence to your performance management portfolio. Now what you also need to do is actually make this page available for your line manager. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. When you click on Edit Page, again at the bottom, and use the drop down menu, you can see this is set to private, but when I click advanced, you can see the only people that can see this are me, and the only people that can edit this is also me. And the best thing to do is to add your line manager to the edit. So I'm going to type, James is my line manager, so I'm going to type in James, and it will find James, and there is his picture. I click James Penstone and click add, and now you can see he can edit it, which I think is useful because he may be able to add an email or something to my pages, and he can also see it obviously. And I'm going to click done, and now James will be able to see that page. When he searches for my profile, he'll be able to see my page. I'm also going to actually bookmark my page so that it appears on my home page. So here I'm going to click bookmark, and now when I go to my home page, Staff Center, you will see the bookmark here where it says my internet at home. Let me just refresh that a second. There we go, and it's got Brian Taylor's performance management portfolio. I actually don't need to put my initials in there because it's already got Brian Taylor on there. So I'm just going to edit that page to get rid of BRTA, drop down menu, more page options, and get rid of that. I don't need it. Change page. Okay, thank you very much.